Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the purl slip stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, how to work in the front loops, and how to work in the back loops. I have videos on all of these and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you can make any number of chains that you want. I am starting off with 20 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 slip stitch into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 slip stitch into each chain across for your first row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. We're going to be making slip stitches again for this row, but we're going to be working into the back loops of each stitch. Right now we're looking at the back of our work. If you turn it above where you're looking down at the top of the stitches, this loop right here towards the front is going to be the front loop. And this loop on the back right here is the back loop. Sew into our first stitch. This is going to be our back loop. And we're going to make a slip stitch into that. This is the back loop of our next stitch. Make a slip stitch into that. This is our back loop. Make a slip stitch into that. Our next one, this is our back loop. Make a slip stitch into that. And you would repeat this for the rest of your row. And that's what row 2 is looking like. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For this row, we are going to be making slip stitches again, but we're only going to be working into the front loops of our previous stitches. So we're looking at the front of our work right now. If you turn the stitches to look at the top, we're going to be working into this loop closest to us. So this is the back loop. This is going to be the front loop. So you're going to make slip stitches into these front loops only. And you're going to repeat this for the rest of your row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet purl slip stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.